Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to join a private group or private channel on Telegram without using a link. So to start, we'll have to go first on my Telegram account and then click on the three bar at the top on the left side, and then here let's create a group. So let's click on the new group option. And then here, let's put a name. Let's just say example. Then after creating the group, let's add some members. And then after creating it, we'll have to go here at the three bullet button at the right side. Then click on the manage group option. Then go to invite links. And then here, we'll have to copy the group link. After copying the link, we can now delete the group. After that, let's go to the Google browser, and then here on the search bar, let's paste the link. So here are these random words here after the plus sign is the group name. So to enter in another channel or another private group, let's just type here random words. And then this TME is the code for Telegram. And then so these random words is the code for the name of a private group or private channel. After that, we can now click enter, and as you can see, I can now enter a private group or a private channel here on Telegram. Mind you, this is a random channel or a random private group. So that's how you enter a private group or private channel on Telegram without using an invite link. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.